Hello viewers, here is a Holmes window fan. This is model HWF0910AT. And I don't see a UL sticker on here indicating the date code, probably because these newer models do not actually have a UL approval of safety, and rather just supposedly and self-acclaimed conform to the UL standards. Anyways, that aside, this is the variant of this fan that has the electronic controls, which I'm not fond of. I don't like electronic controls. I have several of the mechanical control versions of this, and I like them very much. So I thought it would be interesting to compare it to the electronically controlled version. This is the first fan I have seen come with a spare fuse. It does in fact have the replaceable fuse plug, and they have included a spare fuse. I really have never seen, actually I have not seen, not once, these fuses blow. So I am kind of surprised to see one included. That kind of would indicate to me that this is going to blow at some point. The logo here looks like it's just a sticker, and it looks like it's aftermarket too. It's not even put on straight. It does have mechanical controls for the intake and exhaust, and my preference aside, I do believe this model is considered inferior to the other one because it only has high and low, whereas the other one is 3 speeds. So it's pretty dirty, and I don't expect the performance to be very good with it like this. So we'll have to do the actual comparison video after I've cleaned and serviced it. But I'll still power it on and make sure it does in fact run, and we'll check and see how the controls work. Right now they're both on exhaust, now they're on intake. Plug this in, and it looks like it starts in the off setting. So we'll go ahead and hit the mode button and see what happens. It starts off on high. Then low. Now again, this could be a placebo, or not a placebo, an illusion rather, or it could be the fact that it's dirty. This does not seem to work as powerfully as the mechanical control version does. Now we have high through the temperature settings. Actually, that seems to be relatively accurate. It is 71 degrees down here. And then low through the temperature. So it's accurate, I'll give it that. But in this case necessarily, not always, but in this case, I really don't like this because, even reliability issues aside, this is a lot more steps involved to get to the settings you want. You know, whereas the other one, you just turn the dial, temperature dial, to where you want it, and it stays where you want it, and then you just adjust the fan speed. Oh, the other thing that the other one has is the fans can be controlled speed independently. This one is not. This is just, they're both the same speed only. So really the other one has, if you want to count permutations, you could get 9 speeds out of it, I think. This one you only get 2. But this is a really clunky to use. I mean, you gotta, if I want this on low at 75 degrees, I gotta hit it like 10 times. That's outrageous. Yeah, so I really don't like these electronic controls at all. Even if they're reliable This is just poorly executed. We'll check the exhaust function here. Yeah, it works. Now, all this time I gotta press it to get it turned off. That's just crazy. Alright, well we'll do a clean service on this and then we'll compare it to the mechanical controlled one.